Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin metric that looks into the future as $48,000 Bitcoin price around the ETF approval. So kind of beginning of January. So we're going to discuss this for sure. Then we're going to talk about that inflows into Bitcoin investment products reach 1.5 billion US dollar year to date. And the third thing I would like to talk about is let's check short-term and long-term holders. Why? I'm going to tell you also in the second. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, you would like to keep yourself up to date, simply just subscribe. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then definitely hit the like button. So let's start it. Okay, and as usual, for the start, let's have a quick look at the price. Bitcoin is at 37,260 US dollar, about 0.7% up in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, 2,026 US dollar, about the same in the last 24 hours. When we're looking at the top gainers, FTT up 22%, then we have Say 8% and Celestia 8% up in the last 24 hours. So these are the top gainers in the top 100, and among the losers, 14% down, Luna Classic, then we have Gala 6% down, and the Graph 5% down. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that yesterday we just closed kind of here under, but just slightly under this line what I pulled here around 37,400 ish. But today we're working with the green candle, so Bitcoin is still holding itself, to be honest with you, pretty well. And yeah, okay, first thing first, let's talk about this kind of prediction, Bitcoin price prediction, what the Ichimoku cloud indicator shows. This is the one which kind of looks into the future, but okay, let's get into the details. So more and more experts are saying that Bitcoin is waiting for a breakout, even if a pullback could be, could happen. That's okay. But when this kind of Bitcoin spot ETF approvals will happen, then what could be the realistic price target for that? And when we go back quickly to the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see here that I also set levels up here, and we have one here 42,000-ish and around 48,000-ish. And this is kind of in the line with this article, because Bitcoin metric that looks into the future eyes $48,000 Bitcoin price around this ETF. So, analyst CryptoCon, said that the Ichimoku cloud indicator is counting down to upside Bitcoin price continuation. And the indicator, this is one which combines past, present, and future trading cues, and this is suggesting that actually we just have really begun. Ichimoku's leading spans have crossed, leading to the formation of a new upside cloud, and this is what we can see here. Let me zoom in. So every single time when this kind of happened, you can see price up. Here it happened, price up. There it happened, price up. And we are right here. And that's why they're saying that probably beginning of January, this could bring us to 43,000. This would be the conservative level. But 48,000 was a suitable ceiling. This is what they are saying. So basically, and this is like pretty soon. We're talking about here also here they're saying it's going to happen in the next 7 and 11 weeks, which brings us around early January. And yeah, we are already at the end of November, right? So it's kind of really a couple of weeks, as it just suggests here. So we're going to see how it turns out. Definitely, if a Bitcoin spot ETF approval happens, that could push the price up. Then for sure some correction is always coming, but we can move to the next level, and then the next one could be halving in April, which could bring some excitement for us here in crypto. Okay, then we have inflows into Bitcoin investment products reach 1.5 billion US dollar when we're looking at the year to date. And we can also see that there are some inflows in Bitcoin investment products, kind of a lot of money, 1.5 billion US dollar just in this year, 2023. So Bitcoin exchange traded products, ETPs, registered 312 million inflows for the week, November 24, bringing year to inflows around 1.5 billion US dollar. And the weekly inflows for all cryptocurrencies totaled 346 million, continuing a 9-week trend of positive net inflows. So basically, in the last 9 weeks, this is definitely positive. Before September 25th, crypto ETPs had experienced outflows for several weeks, but this has now definitely changed. CoinShares stated that Canadian and German ETPs made up the largest portion of inflows for the week. This is 87%. So then also when we're looking at institutional investors are bullish on crypto, Goldman Sachs also confirms. And then we have Roll Poll who predicts that crypto will outperform tech stocks in 2024. So it looks like that a lot of people are bullish around crypto right now. Obviously, we had 2 tough years since November 2021. The market is going down, not just crypto, also stock market, but maybe crypto could be the one which can recover the nicest way in 2024. Anyway, let me know what you think about this. Okay, and now the third thing I would like to talk about, let's look at long-term holders and short-term holders in Bitcoin and get some conclusion. I think it's very, very important to look at on-chain data, because everything is there. Everything is, you can see everything, what is happening on the blockchain. And look at this. Here, this is Glassnode, and you see here the total supply held by short-term holders. This is Bitcoin. So what we can see, that the short-term holders always increase quite significantly every single time Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. So these are the guys who buy at the top, and get screwed by others who prepare for this. And what we really should watch, the guys who are doing it well, and these are the long-term holders. And as you can see, this is just the opposite. So when Bitcoin is at peak, they are at the lowest. So as you can see, when the price starts to go up, they smoothly start to realize profit, because they would like to stay in profit. And if you follow them, then probably you would do pretty well by the peak of the bull market. And as the price going down, these guys, adding Bitcoin to it, again, peak, it's for them around where the price bottoms. And, this is just the opposite. And this is the one we really should look at. Not these guys. These guys doing totally the opposite, the short-term holders. And of course, among them, there are some traders, obviously. But if you're looking at, for me, this is the one. And look, now it is again just going up, which means, price is down here. So they keep collecting now. And this hasn't right now changed. And this is actually very important, because then we can believe that probably, looking at history, price will going up. So I just wanted to share this one with you guys. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, you're getting short videos, longer videos, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.